So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to build credit on the KOHO Financial application. So a couple different ways to get to this point. First and foremost, if you were to go to the Home tab here in the bottom left at the top where it says Spend, Credit, Borrow, etc., press on Credit. And it's going to give you a bunch of different options here. So take control of your credit story, build your credit score without the usual barriers. You can go ahead and press on the Start Building Credit button. You can also go down to the bottom to see more ways to build credit. So there's credit building, credit report, rent reporting, credit score, etc. And you can also see your activity below when it comes to building credit. But if you were to go ahead here and press on Start Building Credit, it'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can read more information about it. So there's no interest, no credit checks, etc. You can also scroll down and sort of read how it works. So there's some consistency, safety, simplicity, powered by Equifax. You can also scroll down and see a bunch of different factors here. So if everything looks good to you and you want to proceed, there's also some different plans right here. So there's $10 per month. There's 6 months for $60 every 6 months, whatever the case may be. If all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press on Get Credit Building. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can go ahead and select your options. So as I mentioned before, there's $10 per month and $60 every 6 months. Some FAQ, so you can go ahead and pick one and then go to the bottom and press continue. Once you're on this screen right here, it's going to go and show you guys the checkout page. So here's going to be your monthly plan. It's going to cost $10. Your utilization right here, you can go ahead and change that if you want. So you can make that larger or smaller. You can also check your payment methods. You have to go ahead and add a debit or credit card here, which you can add a credit card, an Apple Pay, whatever the case may be. And you can go to the bottom, press subscribe to build your credit that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to build your credit on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.